All right, what's up there, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here, and I'm out here messing with these drum brakes. This video, I'm gonna tell you a little story. When dealing with these drum brakes, I came out here, I said, today's the day I'm gonna start pulling off pieces. Let me see how this goes. I looked at my toolbox and I realized, I think I got some drum brake tools. I originally bought these way back in the day because I've been dealing with drum brakes for a lot of cars I've owned over the years. And then I thought I lost them. So then I got another pair. Thinking back on it, both of these tools are pretty much the same. They're a little bit different on these two ends, but not much. I remember getting them from back in the day, but I got to thinking about it. I was like, you know what? I've never used these for brake drums because tried to use them, they didn't work out right, and I ended up just ditching them and needing those pliers, needing those vice grips, and just a whole bunch of other stuff. Last time I did this, I was trying to do it with the wrong tools. And I remember this was years ago. The spring flew out and hit me in the face. Luckily, I had on sunglasses, and it hit like right on the sunglasses, so I didn't lose my damn eye. That got me thinking. So I came out here and tried to fiddle with this, with those two tools, and did not get not one piece off. I couldn't figure out, man, why wasn't this working? So after a little homework online, I realized I'm missing some pieces. I need more than just that. So of course, I hopped in the car, went to Harbor Freight. This is what I got next. I just got back from Harbor Freight. Now I can add this to my brake tool collection. So now I got a third one, but this is what I really need to get this started. I never had this before, and I never had this before. Even though, for some reason, I don't know, because it's a 4x4, these drum brakes are a little different than, like, let's say on a G-body or old Caprice or something. But I'm gonna bust this open and see, will them two extra pieces make a difference? I don't know, we'll find out together. Okay, let me check this out. All right, you see that? I think I'm on to something here. It's gonna be my first attempt to try to do this the right way. But we're gonna see. I got it hooked in this little spring right there. And try to get the best view you can get. Let me zoom it in maybe. Nah, I'll leave it like this. Well, that didn't go as planned because it pretty much broke, but this spring is loose. So it kind of worked. I think it would have came off. I would have unhooked it and twisted it and pushed it forward. I almost had before, but I stopped to set the camera up. But actually, no, it didn't break. It just came out of there. That's how it is. My bad. I thought it broke. Maybe it did break. No, it didn't break. Disregard that. That's how it just popped out there. Success number one. Okay, we're going. We're gonna keep it going. Let me move this camera around for you. Okay. Now the next thing is to twist this off. Now back in the day, I just used some pliers, squeeze it, or some vice grips, push it in, and pull it off, and it just kind of flings out of there. But I'm gonna use this out. I'm gonna see how this does. Let me put my glove on. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Just push it in. Turn it. No, turn it the other way. Push it in. Okay, the whole thing's spinning. It's not going as smooth as I thought it was. Let me try the other side. No? Gotta be this side, because this side fits right in there. I'm just trying to do this without my hand in the way, though. Okay, let me move this camera over. This camera's kind of in my way. Okay, there we go, there we go. There he is. Hey. That was a lot easier. I just had to move that camera out the way. But I just that kind of goes in there. So far, so good, man. We're learning together. Well, you guys probably laughing at me because you already know all this, but this is my first time actually doing it the right way. So let me do the other side now. Alright, let's see if we can get this side a little smoother. Even though this is already bent. There it is. Look at that. Oh, man. I tell you, boy, the right tools make life so much easier. I ain't got to worry about this stuff flying off and hitting me in the mouth. All right, now at this point, I pulled this bottom spring out here, and then these two little springs right there. And at that point, I believe there's a emergency brake line on there. Let's see if I can get that out. Okay, you see that there? There's an emergency brake line. Let me see. Now. Okay, and break this out again. See if there's a way to. Alright. Give me a minute. I'm going to pause this for a second. Let me try to figure out what tool I need next to get this emergency brake line off. I figure I better turn this back on because although I did not find the tool to use yet, take that emergency brake thing off, wiggling it around. Now the whole thing is really coming off. You see here. So I think I can just pull it off like this. That piece just fell out. This half just came out. Okay. And it's still on there. Alright. I don't want to leave it hanging like that, so I really need to figure this out. No? No? Like this. There's got to be an easy way to do this. Uh-oh. I think I figured it out. That right there? No? Okay. What's happening? Have real close to that. Nope. It's crazy. Alright. Okay. Man, it looks so easy. It's easy, they said. Just get the slack out. Yeah. Get the slack out. Okay. So that's how it's in there. I just pull the slack out the spring. It's supposed to just pop off. Easy peasy. Easy. There it is. Woo! That, I need to work on my grip strength, man. That was horrible. I got it, though. Trick was I had to pull back. I just grabbed it and pulled back on the spring and take the tension off. And boom, popped it right out of there. Look at that. That whole corner of that drum is broke. The whole corner, I don't know if you can see that, the whole corner's cracked. Yeah, it's definitely time. Oh man. Okay. Well, there you go, people. It was not pretty. The struggle was definitely real. But I still gotta take the wheel cylinder off. That's easy. That's just one little bolt in the back. I'm gonna leave that on because I don't feel like the brake fluid dripping everywhere right now. But I got all the old brake parts off of there. Majority of it all came off in one unit. And the Harbor Freight toolkit definitely came in handy. Mainly that tool right there. I already had that one, but I used both of these pieces right here. I didn't really use that so much. But it's cool to have, you know. Not bad for $12.99. So now I gotta go through all the parts I got in to see if I bought that brake arm, this arm here, new, or I gotta take it off and put it on a new pad. So, but first mission is accomplished. It is off. But I will say, man, anybody doing this, if you don't have that, I definitely get this little tool here. It came in handy. But that one definitely came in handy. This one just comes with it, but it's still cool. I'll use it for something eventually. Oh boy, I'm taking a break now. It's lunchtime. There you have it, people. Just out here putting in a little work on the OBS two-door Tahoe. All right, 100 Spoke Riders, signing out.